What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your MINI RF4 4-pack with a wireless DMX controller. So here I have my wireless DMX controller and my 4 MINI RF4 wash lights, and the DMX controller is going to give us more control over the lights. So to set our lights up to the DMX controller, we're going to turn on all of our lights, and then we're going to set our lights to slave or wireless DMX mode by double pressing the power button until the group LED flashes quickly twice. We're also going to want to set the color group for each light to the same color by pressing the power button once. From there we can choose between the colors of red, green, yellow, or blue. So for today we're going to set them to red. We're also going to want to do the same thing with our DMX controller so that it can communicate with our lights. So again, we're going to want to set this color to red. Next on our DMX controller, we're going to activate scanner 1, and now we can go through each fader and see what they do for our lights. Fader 1 acts as the master dimmer, or how bright we want our lights set. So for today we're going to set that all the way up. Next we have fader 2 to control the red LEDs, so the more I raise it, the more red starts to come through. Fader 3 controls the green LEDs, so the more I raise that, the more green comes out. Fader 4 controls the blue LEDs. Fader 5 controls the white LEDs. Fader 6 will bring out the amber LEDs, and Fader 7 will bring out the ultraviolet LEDs. Now we can use any one of these faders to set the light to that color, or we can mix and match them to make up a custom color. So for example, I can raise a little bit of red, a little bit of blue, and some amber, and now you'll see that the lights are set to my custom color. So moving on to fader 8, this will control the strobe for the light, so the more I raise it, the faster the lights will start to strobe. Now we can set our lights to the different modes that are built in through fader 9, and depending on where we set fader 9 determines which mode it's set to. We can also refer to the LED screen on our DMX controller to find out which value our faders are set to. So for example, if I set my fader anywhere from 120 to 159, it will activate the color pulse mode for our lights. And then we can use fader 10 to control the speed of the mode. So the more I raise fader 10 on the color pulse mode, the faster the light will pulse between each color. You can always refer to the included DMX guide to find out which faders do what and which values for fader 9 activate which mode. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your DMX controller to your MINI RF4 4-pack. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.